In today's video, we are going to show you the powerful branding tool that is shirt tags. You may have noticed that many shirts come with tearaway labels, so you can remove the label and put your own in its place. Creating shirt tags can be a simple, cheap, and effective way of creating extra branding for your label. One of the most effective ways to get low-cost shirt tags is to add them into the unused space on one of your customers' orders. This will keep the cost very low and/or free for you. Simply create your design and size it appropriately and move it to one of the edges. Once it's at that edge, you will see the free space that you have to add shirt labels in. Once you have your main design settled, go to the Add Layout button and from there search QTG. All QTG layouts are meant for using shirt tags. In this example, we have used QTG5. Once you've chosen the shirt tag you would like to use, simply fill out your information and then you can gang sheet it at the bottom to fill up the extra space. Another cost-effective option for creating these labels is to simply create a gang sheet filled with these. Doing this will allow you to gang sheet several of each size on the same sheet for you to order. Keep in mind that the smaller the image and the more information you have on your shirt tag, the higher the risk of closure. Closure happens when the ink expands and your text becomes illegible. That said, once you have your transfers in hand, simply separate the images with a pair of scissors or a guillotine cutter and apply them to your shirt. In our facility, we find it easiest to use the Hotronix cap press. This is due to its size and versatility and ability to get into those small, tight spaces. Has this video got your creative juices flowing? For more information, tips, and tricks, head to our YouTube page and subscribe to Stahl's Transfer Express. Happy pressing!